is Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the Santa Fe. As you see, I have one right behind me. Beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our cascading honeycomb grille, LED daytime running lights, a wraparound headlights. Also going to come with our premium alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires. Also going to come with blind spot monitor, lane keep assist. Why don't you follow me? I'll show you inside. Now, this vehicle is going to feature our ventilated leather interior. Also going to come with an 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, navigation, backup cam. Also going to come with heated and cooled seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips, panoramic sunroof. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would give me a call, my name is Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.